Welcome to the Mobile Mechanic 757. Here we get down straight to the point. Yes, I want to tell you why you should do a pre-purchase inspection on a used car. This is a free tip. Nobody will want you to know this. But here at the Mobile Mechanic 757 here, we are so open to light you about pre-purchase car inspection. It might seem to be an expensive and an added extra cost to your money that you want to use to buy your car. But believe me, it's going to save you. It's going to save you. And it will also let you know more about your car before you buy it. After all, once we have done the inspection, we have told you the findings of the inspection about the body parts, the internal functionality of the car. You, the buyer, you have the choice. We do not participate in your choice of buying the car. But out of the result of us doing that pre-purchase inspection, you will decide as the buyer, do I need to buy this car or do I not? Because believe me, a used car is a used car. It is not new. It has a damage. It has something that has to be done on it before or after you buy it, because maybe that's why the original owner is selling it. You never know. So you need to do a pre-purchase car inspection. It's very important. There is no need you go and spend over $5,000 on a car and then it is not going to give you service as you expected. You be on the road 1 month, it is done. You put it on a parking. Please, 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 wherever you are, please, if you're in Virginia Beach, Hampton area, Norfolk, we are available. You just go to our website, www.themobilemechanic757.com, book service for pre-purchase car inspection. We shall go to the dealer. You will direct us, or we shall come to you and you lead us to where the car is. And you will have a peace of mind once this pre-purchase car inspection is done, because maybe the car had an accident. You never know. Maybe it was in a flood. You never know. So you need to do this. Don't buy a junk. No. Most dealers don't like it because it's going to expose their product. Of course, even if it is me, I'm the one selling my car, I wouldn't love an inspection done on my car because I know the hidden agenda on this car. But as you, the buyer, it is very prudential that you do a pre-purchase car inspection. Don't go blinded buying that car without doing an inspection. Okay, thank you for watching. Welcome back to our channel. If you're already a subscriber, thank you. If you're new to this channel, please thumbs up, subscribe, share. We love you.